Welcome back to Cheated Death Fabrication. In this video, we're building a roof rack for this Land Rover Discovery 2. The roof rack isn't going on this specific Land Rover, but we are using this one to build the entire thing. So first, I'm starting with the mounting points for the roof rack. I'm gonna have 4 mounting points on each side of the roof rack. One up here, 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 and here. The way it's gonna work is I'm gonna have a plate with a stud, much like this little template that I've made up here. And this plate is gonna go here on the side of this rail with a bend to keep it in place. This stud is gonna go up into a sleeve to tighten everything together. So I need to make 8 of these and then also cut out 8 plates. Those plates are gonna have that sleeve that I mentioned, and they're gonna go up this way, and then we're going to have some square tubing going across and connecting it to the other one, which will be propped up on the driver's side exactly like the passenger side, creating one entire rail. Then I repeat that process 3 more times. That way I have another roof rack here, another rack here, and another rack here. What that is going to do is create a surface for me to be able to mount the roof basket onto. I know it's a lot to follow, and hopefully my renderings create enough of an image for you to be able to see the finished product like I see it, but you will see everything that I'm talking about during the fabrication process. As always, the fabrication process has been turned into a little montage for your viewing pleasure, and I will check back in once this roof rack is complete and installed. And that concludes the roof rack build for this Land Rover Discovery 2. You've seen the entire fabrication process, but let me take you through some of the small changes that were added after fabrication and during the installation process. What wasn't added into the video is the padding that I used. Moving down to the mounts, we also have a little bit of padding on the inside of these corners. That way there's a little bit of cushion in between the surface that is the metal and also the rain gutter trim. And every single one of these mounts has padding on the inside to protect it from being scratched. Not just the driver's side, of course, but the passenger side as well. And if we look at the inside of the rain gutter, there's also a cushion here creating a separation from the metal of this mount and also the Land Rover. And it's nothing special, it is just this rubber tubing that I cut a slit in the middle to be able to fit into this mount to then create a separation between both of these surfaces. And that wraps up this build video. As always, thank you so much for watching this video and for being a part of Cheetah Death Fabrication, and I will see you guys in the next fabrication video.